ka ba sa word na green marketing? Kung hindi ang sagot mo, maybe this video could help you. Ano ba kasi yung green marketing? Bago ko sagutin yan, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo. Yung mga consumers or customers ngayon, kapag bumibili sila ng product, iniisip na rin nila kung ano yung nakakabuti sa environment. Kasi alam nila na yung proseso ng paggawa ng product na yon o yung mismong product na yon ay may impact sa environment. Kaya naman, yung sustainable practices ngayon ay nagiging popular. And yung mga businesses nowadays, they are using the strategy of green marketing. Yung tinatawag na green marketing technique. Ang green marketing ay isang strategy na ginagamit ng mga businesses nowadays to promote and sell their products and services. And of course, those products and services are environmentally friendly or they have a positive impact on our environment or in our planet. Pero paano ba natin malalaman na yung isang company ay gumagamit ng green marketing? Simple lang, tingnan mo yung mismong product nila. If they are creating eco-friendly products, then they are using green marketing. Tingnan mo rin yung packaging nila. If they are using recycled materials or eco-friendly packaging, then that's green marketing. Or pwede rin naman sa advertising, kung kino-communicate nila or ina-advertise nila yung environmental benefits ng kanilang product. Madaling salita, yung lahat ng effort na ginagawa ng isang company para mapangalagaan yung environment while growing their business, that is green marketing. Ginagawa nila yon para makasabay sa trend. Dahil sabi ko nga, mas pinipili ng mga consumers or buyers yung mga products and services na makakatulong sa environment. Yun nga, so I hope nakatulong yung video sa'yo. At pa-follow na rin ako dito sa TikTok. Thank you, God bless!